Assalamu alaikum friends. Today, I'm going to do live trading and show you how I complete my $100,000 target. If you're new to my channel, quickly like and subscribe. Let's get started with the video. I opened the Qutox Broker and looked at the graph. At that moment, I had $87,000 in my account. I analyzed the graph and placed my first trade. I knew the graph was going to go up, so I selected the up option. I had already chosen a 1-minute trade duration. Then I began watching the trade closely because I had invested $3,000. As soon as the time was up, I won the trade. My account balance now increased to $89,000. Next, I had to place another trade. So, I started analyzing the graph again. After a proper check, I placed another up trade again for 1 minute. Then I thought I'd try a 5-second trade. I invested another $3,000, and as you can see, I won again. My balance now reached $91,000. For the third trade, I changed the duration to 5 seconds to reach my $100,000 goal quickly. This time, I placed a down trade, but unfortunately, I lost. My balance went down to $88,000. Now I had to be smart. I carefully studied the graph again and placed a down trade, which resulted in a profit as I was confident the graph would go down. I then placed another down trade, which neither gave me a profit nor a loss, it was a draw. After that, I studied the graph and predicted it would go up. I placed 2 trades accordingly, and both turned out to be profitable. Now my balance was $94,000. Then I saw the graph was going up and placed an up trade, which again gave me a profit. Now I had $96,000, very close to my $100,000 target. I placed one more up trade and again made a profit. At this point, I wasn't sure which way the graph would move, but I took a chance and placed an up trade, which resulted in a loss. Then I placed a down trade and lost again. After losing 2 trades, I placed one carefully planned trade and made a profit. The next trade also gave me profit. Then I placed a few more trades, some were profitable, some were losses. The losses were heavier, and my balance dropped to $89,000. I then carefully studied the graph and placed 4 up trades at once because I was confident about the trend, and I was right. All 4 trades were profitable. With that success, I finally completed my $100,000 target, and I was extremely happy because I made a $13,000 profit today. If you also want to trade like me, check out the link in the description. Download the app and enjoy trading.